Hello, I'm Lila Parsons and I am right here in the heart of central London for the official launch of the first ever Galeria Melissa in Europe. The iconic Brazilian brand, which has already teamed up with some of the biggest UK names in fashion. I'm talking Cara Delevingne, Kate Moss, Vivienne Westwood, Gareth Pugh, just to name a few, and it finds its new home here in the bustling Covent Garden. Melissa is the biggest plastic shoe retailer in the world. Having been active for over 3 decades, it boasts more than 4,000 retailers, with standalone stores in Sao Paulo and more recently, New York City. This beautiful Georgian building right behind me provides such a fantastic contrast to the ever modern and innovative design of the Galeria Melissa inside. It opens its doors on the 10th of October and you are all invited. Trust me, it is not to be missed. Make sure you stick around as next up the lovely Maria Eugenia will be here to bring you even more of the action from the launch of Galeria Melissa London.